Have you had one of these brushes wreck your hair? I use these brushes in my tutorials for getting volume in my fine hair a lot, and a lot of people comment saying that they used one of these and it ruined their hair. Welcome to DIY Hair School, and today I am going to talk to you about the proper way to use one of these blow dry brushes so that it doesn't ruin your hair. A key thing to remember about these blow dry brushes is that they are a hot tool. They get hot, and any hot tool that we put on our hair can wreck our hair. It can damage it with the heat. So number one thing I ask people when they say one of these bad boys wrecked their hair is, are you using heat protection? And very few people are. Most people aren't using heat protection, and honestly that's like being shocked that you went out in the sun and got a sunburn when you didn't wear sunscreen. So make sure you're using adequate heat protection when you use one of these brushes. Second problem I find people have with these brushes is that they seem to forget that they're not exactly the same as a blow dryer. Even though this brush does blow dry, it does blow air, and it does use that blowing air to dry your hair. These plates here are ceramic or metal, and they get very, very hot. And when you run the brush through your hair, though, your hair is running along those hot ceramic plates, and that's partly what is smoothing and giving your hair the really great bounce and shape that it gets. But because of that, you are using direct heat on your hair, very similar to a flat iron or a wand or any other really hot tool that we apply to our hair that's definitely more direct than just a blow dryer. So that's not to say that we can't use it, but often people will use these a lot more than they might their flat iron or their curling iron. They'll use these every single day, and it is a lot of direct heat. I typically suggest going 3 days between direct heat application on your hair, so I wouldn't use these more than twice a week. The third big mistake I see people making with these brushes is using them on dry hair. They are not designed as a dry hair styling tool. It is a drying tool. It is meant to dry your hair. And while I don't style my hair from soaking wet with one of these because it takes a long time, I rough dry my hair and then I finish with one of these. But I use it on my hair while my hair is still damp. Once your hair is completely dry, you need to move on to a different section. No longer working the hair with this brush because it is meant to be used on wet or damp hair, not on dry hair, and it's going to overheat dry hair. You'll find when you're using them, sometimes your hair will get really hot, almost so hot that as it comes out of the brush, you can't touch it. That's when you know it is too hot and your hair is now too dry to use this brush. This brush is no longer what you should be putting on your hair. It has gotten too hot, and it will start to damage your hair if you keep going over a strand of dry hair with one of these brushes. So those are the most common mistakes that people make that are going to cause damage to your hair: overusing it, using it on dry hair, not using heat protection, and just not respecting it as a hot tool, because it is a hot tool and we need to be careful of how much heat we're applying to our hair and what we're doing to recover from heat application in between uses. I hope that helps. I love these brushes, and don't let the fact that it is hot deter you from having great hair. Just learn how to use it properly and learn how to take care of your hair. Let me know in the comments what else you guys would like to see, or if you have any more questions about these guys. I do have this one that I use linked in my Amazon storefront. It is just a generic, and honestly I have tried all kinds of different brands of these and I find they're all pretty much the same, except some have more fancy settings, but I just like it to get on and off. That's really all that I need it for. So check that out in my Amazon storefront if you want the same one that I have, and let me know how they work for you, and let me know if you guys are successful in using your hot blow dry brushes as well. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. Bye.